my mum and Peter or to do the job that he took on and was paid for.
To this investigation, prosecution service and charge him with murder. We'd already gathered was crucial to this house on the day of her murder. And we considered there was no one in the back garden.
On my way in on this early Monday morning. Whew. Day one done. They wore me out, but it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. We made animal crackers today. We made savory garlic bread, and we also made cinnamon rolls. And this was a group of age 8 through 12-year-olds. So it was a lot of fun. The kids are on spring break. So this was day one of their spring baking class. This was definitely something that I am really excited about, really excited to start this new chapter in my life. I've always loved to teach classes, and just to be able to teach at Wilton is like a dream come true. So on my way home so I can relax, because again, I'm tired. They wore me out. Look at this. I have water from washing dishes all on my coat. Yeah, so I know I said I was on my way home to relax, but a baker's work is never done. I actually got a text message from Walmart saying that my pickup order was ready. So I'm just gonna go and pick that up. I completely forgot that I ordered cake supplies. So since COVID, I have been utilizing the Walmart pickup order because the grocery store can be so hectic sometimes. Sometimes it just takes a lot out of you. Sometimes it's stressful. A lot of times it's stressful. You don't have to kind of sort through anything. You just go on the app, select what you want. When I have to get a bunch of boxes of cake mix, butter, buttermilk, fondant, cupcake containers, if I have to get like cake circles. They have a lot of Wilton products at Walmart, so I do utilize the Walmart pickup option. I utilize that a lot.
Use both ways.
Okay. Thank
Where
you.
would you like it at?
In the trunk.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, so got the groceries all in the back. All my cake supplies for the rest of the week already checked off. So now it's just one more stop to make before we make it home. Thank you.
My pleasure.
There's nothing like a cold strawberry hibiscus sunjoy. That's so good. As I'm drinking my delicious drink, let me know what you guys think in the comments about this type of format. So I'm just trying something different, something new. One of the things that I do want to talk about is how when you are a full-time baker, over time you have to pivot and you have to switch some things up. So for me, my thing now is what I did today, teaching. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this new format, the behind the scenes, day in the life of a baker. Is so many layers to being a custom cake decorator and instructor, and I'm just so excited because I want to show you all, like, I want everyone to know, like, it's not just all about pretty cakes. It's a lot that goes on behind the scenes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.